All right, we got this Hyundai Kona electric here, and we're going to be changing this light bulb that's on the outside. That's your normal, I guess, daytime running light.
Low beam.
Low beam. Yeah, sorry, low beam, not daytime. And there's a cap for that right back here. It's very easily accessible, so we just reach in here, loosen that off. Careful not to drop it. And then we can reach in there, and this is what the bulb's gonna look like before we reach in here. Like that. It's an H7 bulb. Now, I think, I can't see, but I believe that the connector, the electrical connector, comes off first, and then we need to actually remove the bulb itself. It's difficult to show you.
No, it twists.
Does it twist?
I think so.
Oh. Is that there? Oh. Or is it on the housing? Gotcha. That's strange. Never seen that before. First for something. Always a first. Okay, so it twists counterclockwise, so you're turning left, right? And then we pull that off. Yeah, that's never seen that before. Okay. So there is a direction that needs to go in. You can see this tab down here. That's where the cutout, the notch on the bulb housing needs to sit in. So just make sure that it's going in that way and not the wrong way, because it won't go in. Actually, it might start to plug in, and then you jam it in there, it might go in. So we will, sorry. I'll stick this in here. Try not to touch the bulb. Can't really show you too well because my hands are gonna get in the way. So it's in there like that. We got our little tabby in the right position there. Make sure everything looks seated. Everybody looks happy. Now I got to sneak that back in there. Make sure that goes in the right spot. And then turn it to lock it. You heard it lock. Feels secure. Another thing you can kind of do, I guess you can't really see because this it's got that like magnifying globe in front of it, but it feels like it clicked in there very nice. You might be able to use a mirror or something if you wanted to, but anyhow, light bulb's in. Last thing that I recommend you do is use some silicone-based grease, not petroleum base, but silicone base, to put a little lube on this seal and clean the dirt and stuff off of it before you do this. But that's going to help this seal. It's going to prevent it from drying out, and it's going to help on installation. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, just a little bit. It'll make a world of a difference when you're putting this thing back on and the next time that you need to take it off. So we're going to go ahead and slip that down there. Try to line up the... Boom, just like that. That's it. If you got any questions, throw them down in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Same bulb too that came out of it. So that's cool.